What's up, everybody? It's VCC with a quick tip about extra virgin olive oil. Guys, I have two ones right in front of me. This one was $4.99 at the local store. This one I actually ordered on Amazon for 30 bucks. Guys, you want to look for the Italy symbol at the bottom. Product of Italy. That way you know you're getting the real thing. A lot of these imitation ones, people are knowing that people are trying to get their heart healthy and get healthier, so they're ordering it and buying it for $4.99, $3.99, but you get what you pay for. You want to pay for the one more quality, more better, that's gonna taste better, do better. And also, guys, the difference with the prices, you'll know what you're getting if it's better quality, paying a little extra for it. Plus the difference, the one from that was $30 tastes different than the cheaper one, you know. So keep that in mind, guys. Let's have a healthy heart.